yan ikaw?
Medged. I am good.
Kapal.
Ay, lower ko anay the volume. May trying game. Sa purpose ko, gra. Something is wrong. I was moving and then I wasn't. Oh, may lantern tayo. Oh, shiny. Lantern. Collect all soul fragments. Ayos sa atong screen. What? Soul? I don't even know where I am. What is displaced? Stick together, ano, chest. There has to be a reason I'm here. Maybe someone else know what's going on. Or never mind. Dahil nandito yung soul. Oh god! Jess! Run, Jess! 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 Run sa likod mo. Oh my goodness! Ah! Nawala ako sprint!
Ayun. Sabi ka, ubos to sprint. Kasi
Keep tapping lang. Keep tapping. I think the monster is gone to me. Never mind. Just keep collecting souls habang ako ay run away. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Go away. Nandito yung monster kakon. Ah! I'm dead. Hello, Jess. He's gonna find you. I would recommend to look around. Hindi mo na alam, nandyan siya.
Behind the bush.
Ang bilis mo just maghanap ng soul ah. Soul.
Sino the monster?
I don't know where. Scary. Wait, alin da?
Daya, gaupo sa pero ano.
Okay, takay ko just. Binuo mong gali, the soul. Nakita ko ikaw. Look around lang just. Basi, I don't know, cinema. Saan kayo yung monster? Where is it?
Oh, shit.
Oh my god! Nakibot lang ako sa anong figure. Nakibot lang ako sa anong shadow. Keep running lang, Jess. Keep tapping. I-dodge mo yung mga I don't know. Last one lang, gid.
Ayun na mau.
Na yung masing likod.
Bilat iya mau.
Hara lang, gid.
Ayun. Ay.
Sino sa portal? Siin mo. Oh, I found it.
Where? Wait lang. Brightness.
Oh my god, just nandito siya! No, nandun na ako sa exit. Namatay ako.
Kita ko ang gali.
Just go. Di ko masabi kung ubos na ba yung stamina ko or hindi.
Kita mo manag may red.
Ha? Bakit nakita? Oh my god! Come on! I made it. Part 2. And he fell into a waking dream. Something crawls these forgotten halls. Do not look at her face. Tread the maze before the dark a lever. There should be more hidden throughout this place. Activate them all. The barrier keeps in silence what is locked away
Nice.
in the dark ahead. May monster
Sakit
ko,
sa
no?
ulo.
May monster ko, no? Ano ko no, banana? Yung do not look at his face.
Oh.
Gamitin ko ang lantern just for safety.
Opo.
Ay, just may mapa, oh. Be aware of the mistress of guilt.
Ay, di pwede madaga.
Hindi, memorize yung dapat. Memorize mo just in your mind.
Wait lang. Madali man lang yung mga kung... Ayun doon mga red dots do ano, oh.
Roindo,
Ano
lever.
na objective?
Lever.
Okay, gets. Wait lang.
Una natin do number 1. I think pa ano taraw like pasunod buko ni random. Number
Ay,
Oo, number 1
Wait lang.
anay. Number 1 just
1,
is
2, layo man do 3.
number 1 anay. Oh my god, just do not look at his face. Do not look at his face. Kung makita mo just Dubai, do not look at his face.
Ay, bobo, mali talaga yan, nasudlan.
Nag-pop up mo. Woo! Just do not look at his face. Do not look at his face. Do not look at his face. Okay, I'm good. I'm alive.
Hard naman i-control this.
Is that a lever? It is. No. Wah! Wah! Go away.
God.
No. I'm scared. Jess, tama ba to?
Yes, pero...
Parang malapit lang yung number 1 eh.
Parang na buo ko.
Saan kayo number 2?
Ito sa...
Ano, tumabran ka ra like lever din balik rin sa
Wait
mapa.
lang. Di ka
Woo!
Around may isa pagit.
Yeah.
Balik ko, balik.
Ooh. Memorize mo just the mapa?
No. Ipal. Wait.
There's like 50% chance nga mag-scream si Jess nga ra. I already knew it
Wait lang.
in my heart. Hara do mapa sing ano?
Alin?
Karan.
Alin yun?
I can tell you're gonna scream. Number 3 sa piyak ta.
Ay, number 3 pa gali. Ada kita no.
Yes, number 3.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Tapos yung number 2. Dito to number 3.
Para...
Dito.
Yun?
Okay. Basta somewhere over here, I don't know.
Pilat. Iya pagita sang paint.
Ala, I'm dead. Aray. Just. Oh god. Diyos ko, Lord. I got spooked.
Lang.
Did you lost
Wait lang.
in the woods? Oh. Ang gagawin ko na lang, hula-hulaon ko na lang kung sino 3. Oh, mali yagi.
Hindi, wait lang. Ay,
Stop, monster, go away. Am I blind? God, where is it? Wait, may nakita ko akong lever. Number 4, Tarabasi.
try mo ano up.
Try ko. Okay. Oh, I did it. Sa number 4. So, need natin ng 3 at 5. Interesting.
Slenderina eh.
Ani? Except... Oh, good. Gina-force na nakita nga magpamantaw. Kana.
Isa lang.
Anong number 3?
P1.
Sino mo nahanap?
Ina.
Oh. So, number 5 na lang, Jess. Wow. Which is, balik tayo sa mapa. I am lost. Never mind. I found the map. You found the map. Oh, God. Aray.
Sino kulang na kon?
Number 5. Or no, number 1.
Feel ko 1. Aram lang galituan no?
Huh?
Tulog.
What the? Akala ko number 1
Let's
daw
go.
atong una. Wait, hanapan natin the exit. Hara the
Ay,
exit
bata
to?
to?
Dito.
Dito
Mala...
sa pinakapunta.
Oh, malapit sa 3 pero squiggly. Yes. Marami tayong squiggly. Pushed.
Chin. Okay. Chin Jun. Chin ka Jun.
Dito sa likod mo, haran to, to open gate. Oh, God, Jess! No, I don't wanna die. No.
I'm
Oh, I lived. Put your lantern for safety lang. Hindi mo lang alam kasi scary.
okay.
Recommended bang i-save the stamina or hindi?
Iwan. Still belongs to me.
Search the houses. Search ko na do house. For alin? No.
All purposes.
Ayoko mag-separate na luktang. Dad?
Pero boys, ginano mo na boys.
You read me a story tonight. Did I do something wrong? Ayun da, family situation ba to? You didn't come home again. Do you even know what time it is? Your child keeps us. Ay, wait, may voice gali.
I'm tired of waiting.
Waiting for what? Wala?
Wala. Lang. Meron din ba yun?
Oh.
Char lang.
Ay, dito oh. May house dito, just. Aro. Son, are you okay? We're not angry. We just want to know you're safe. Allah. Whatever happened, you can still come home. Wait, yung ano nanday mo? Like, yung palayas? May kulang pa tayo, just. We're missing one. Kasi sa pinakauna, git, or I don't know.
Yun.
Okay.
And next. Where
Sing,
ka?
sing ka? Iya ako sa
Where
ano?
ka?
Iya ako sa middle.
Wait lang.
Where are you? Saan ka napunta? Diretso lang makikita manimo ko. May mga lanterns so. Ebokon. Ay, tawag ka rin. Post
Kita ka
light. Savior summon na. Basta may ano. Those voices. They weren't strangers. They were a part of my life. I think kita yung sun. So why can't I
Oh
remember?
no.
Wait, why did it
Hindi
go
ako sad.
quiet? Something is here. Oh no, Jess, something is here. I'm gonna sprint. Hello? What's this? Ano ba to? China? Tokyo? Alinda? A lantern.
Philippines.
To wake him is to lose him. Ala, ginasacrifice na to someone. Oh my god, Jess, sprint, run,
Visit ako nga ni.
there's no time to wait, god, oh my god, just keep sprinting. I'm gonna run, I'm not gonna look back, or am I gonna look back? Depends, aray na no.
Kapitin mo tasig.
True. Chalalala! God! Oh my god, I don't know where I'm going. Aray!
Ay, gagustos yung cellphone.
Try to focus, control your... I don't know. I cannot see. God. It's hard to control.
Ay. Ah, bilada.
Don't worry, Jess. I will lead you to victory. Depende kung masurvive man ako kara.
Simba.
Oh no, ato kita kung the exit. Oh my goodness, why? Ato nakita kung the exit pero I don't know what happened. She was super fast. Don't worry, Jess. I will lead you to victory. Depende.
Daya, bye.
Ganyan talaga ang life, Jess. Ang daya talaga. Don't worry, Jess. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
Saan ba ba galagas ka to?
No! I see the light. Mag-ano ka na, just mag-start it tantrum.
Bilang.
Wow, ano, just?
Kahugot ka cellphone.
I'm just gonna keep sprinting. Oh my god, mali man ang agi. Trying to run away. God! My eyes are gonna blur. Diyos ko, nag-stop ako, Diyos. May ano gali, may next room. Pero keep running pang gihapon. Jess, I'm gonna win this for you. Depende. Kung masurvive man ako, kara.
Madaya.
I hope hindi to separated nga ano, diagan. Nga kung mawin ako, mateleport ka man, pero kung hindi, then you're screwed. Oh my God.
Naiiwan ako ay.
Kita mo, the light. Diretso lang, keep running, do not stop. Pero mas naging ubra ko, pero nag-stop na ako. So that's my... Oh, hello, Jess. Jess, gina-distract mo ako. Jess, stop. You're gonna distract me. I'm gonna win. Ay, nano. Yung mga red hat. Jess, lumilipad talaga ko. Oh my God, Jess. Jess, lumilipad ka. Lumilipad man ako. Oh my God! No, I see the light again. Oh my God, astig tara.
Ang light.
Light, the light. Yung pintuan, pero different room. Focus, Jess, focus. Do not. Oh my God.
Where am I?
What happened?
Ay, napipikon yung tang. Gadaya.
Ah! What is happening to me? Stop. Let me win. Let me win. Let me win! Ano ba? Na-stuck ako in between. Inatantrum ako. Ano ba? Yes, I feel rage baited. Nare-rage tang. O baka dahil hindi lang ako. Ah! Stop, 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 stop. Please, please. No, no, no. Oh, my eyes.
Yan.
Ah! Stop, 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 stop. There's a chest, but I cannot open it. No, is it worth it to open it? Yes, I made it. Keep running. Yes, I made it, Jess. Yes. Or never mind, I didn't made it. Dahil may una pa. No, I hate this. I hate this game. No, I very, very much hated. Aton. Cannot breathe. My lungs, my heart, my soul.
My chest.
Your chest, ano ba? Just, na-distract lang ako. Ay. Just. No, don't do this to me. Okay, focused. Oh my God. Olo, just lapit lang ako mag-swear. Narig mo? I just saw nga ano, super angry. I am very much angry. No! Kita kong just the end. Pwede ba ako mag-swear, just?
Uy, ako sa likod.
Pwede ba ako mag-swear? Dad,
Ikaw bahala.
I cannot do this. My eyes. Mag-start swearing na lang. Oh my God, haron yun.
Nabunggoy ko.
Ano ba yan? Oh my God, nanunggo man kita. I hate this. Oh my God, mamamatay ta ako sa mga bato, hara. Thank you very much, bato. Nakita ko no the end chest, lapit na to, pero I don't know. Medyo super angry ako, na-stuck pa ako. Focused.
Shit! Fucker!
Oh my God. again. Focus, focused. No more talking. Oh god. Focus, Jonan. Do not distract yourself. Focus in your eyes, in your mind.
Natrap ako, Gogo.
Ah, you're trapped in between. Okay. Oh my god, Buhok, stay away from me. Jess, I think I'm gonna make it. Or never mind. No, why? What the?
Wisit na ba to?
No, this never ends. Yes!
Ayun.
Oh my god!
No.
Oh my god. I made it. My soul. Jess, malalaman mo lang Jess ko alin yung nasa screen ko. My god. Dali ang pwede na just mag-breed. Mag-breed.
Okay.
Okay. Jess, sa screen ko, Jess. Sa akong perspective, abot ang swear. Ako, medyo mga malapit na kunta. I'm good na po. I think I lost it. I lost my voice. I can still hear it.
Na, ano yan? Pindot ang cellphone.
Okay, gang cellphone.
Hindi ko maano ro screen.
No, just you're walking away. This forest feels so too quiet. Huh? Sen? Oh, mali ang giagyan. Alam, may crouching tayo. Oh no.
Mas madasig ka mag-crouch.
Okay, I'm gonna crouch. We feel sneaky.
Ooh. What is that?
Scary. Huh? Oh no, oh no.
Wait lang. Hindi lang pindot ang
Put
screen.
the book on book stand, light up the candle with lighter, take the lady opera
Huwag yun
song.
na. Parang last pa nga.
Oh my god, no.
I don't like about it.
We need to be sneaky.
Wait lang, hindi ko maano ang screen.
Okay.
Game.
Okay, crouch na lang just for safety. Oh no. I got a crack. Crank? I don't know. I have this.
Later.
I have a crank. I think for something.
Candles. Ilat nag-ano. Nag-chat to messenger ko kapindot ang ano. Chat to
Interesting.
messenger.
Bakit kaya? Wait, open doors ba
Ayun.
do safe naton? Safe zone, open doors? I feel like safe zone do open doors. Ring room.
Wait lang, TNT na ako.
Sige. Ging patay ko kasi just the notification ako messenger so I feel safe.
Hindi na pindot ang phone.
Okay, while you're busy, inumin ako drink.
Aling drink doon.
Secret.
Kawa, baka ka mag-inomit bawal.
No.
Anong no? Sugid ta kay papa mo.
No.
Yes.
Ubos ko na. You cannot stop
Alin
me. You cannot
Alin
stop
dun?
me. You cannot stop me. It's a milk.
Oh, milk. Milk na magaling. Eh. Yes. Pinto ng phone. I'm crying.
Oh, ganyan talagang life chest. Hello?
Oh.
Turn off ko the light. Put the book on the stand. Light up the candle with a lighter. May lighter ka?
Nilatlag ako.
May lighter ka, Jest?
May lighter ako. Yes.
Light up the candle with a lighter.
Where's the candle?
I don't know where.
Ay, akala ko may naki mo. Akita ko sa taas.
Ganyan talagang life, Jest. Ganyan talagang life.
Bilis, bilis. Run, bitch, run, 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 run.
Ooh.
Ah, kabilag.
Oh, so many drawers. Are you gonna get...
Ay mo,
Oh.
John.
So, tama, gid man. Ray, gid man do save zone sa suwod. Oh, I found a snack. Never mind. Ano do purpose kara?
Nasaan candle?
I don't know. Pero just papunta na siya sa taas. Just saying.
Iya ako sa inside it room.
Okay. Ano mo just pagtuon sa stairs.
Yan mo kakon. Try mo mag-look ko na.
Hello. Oh, lapit na to, Jess. Kita mo to
Di mo kasugot.
in your two eyes. Did you see that?
Yes.
I still have a crank. Yung parang ano, yung sa mga music box nga ron.
Naimaw.
Hello,
Open mo lang
Jess.
kabila ang door.
Ano ba yan? Hadlock lang ako mo. Oh, usht.
Bae nga may bangs.
Jess, wag po. Aray nang nakita habang gadayagan kita yung chest.
Ako man. Halalag ako. Chindo candle.
Hello? Put the book. I have no books. Dito, Jess, Sin ka? Tara ako. Hello?
Wait. Baka mahuli tayo.
Yeah. Mato, I think the crank was sa may music box, or am I wrong?
Ay, nanong cellphone.
As in, ginalight mo gitanan? Oh, grabe, the brightness,
I
just
guess.
the light. The question just sa taas, look up. Paano sa naka, ano? Gravity?
Alin doon?
Gravity sa taas?
Magic. Si yun, the lady.
Ano mo? Check mo just sa bilog nga room. Wind up the gramophone. Okay.
I will die with a smile.
Sin?
Ang sa may piano.
Wow.
Wala man here.
Uh-oh. Nakita mo just, diba, the music na to? Uh-oh.
Naimaw.
What pa? It could be in this bookshelf. It could be in this bookshelf. I don't know. Wala akong nakita. Back.
Ting naimaw ah.
Ah. Wala bang ano? Diyan? Papa just pero halin yung na. Is there nothing? Nothing?
Wala man eh. Ara, may book.
Oh, nice.
Book mo lang, di ba?
Yes, book. Take Lady Oprah's soul. How?
Chin, lagay ro book.
Karon sa sod.
Put soul. Paano soul?
Soul.
Basi kapag agas ka na.
Or
Saan
try
siya?
try to look around. Oh, what's this?
Oh, yato yung mouse.
Huh?
Yung mouse, idaro man ang soul.
Hala, namatay
Look,
siya?
active yun.
Hala, namatay siya?
I don't know. Ewan. Tapos yung jump scare ako.
Oh no.
Ay.
Oh, I got one.
Ay, lag ako.
The opera soul. Put the soul.
Ay, nakunyari ako ay pinaka.
Blue. He
Tapos na?
woke. I don't know. We will never know.
Bakit?
The final walk. Hala, may final pa. Akala ko final to.
Jawa ka raw.
Oh, dito dyan sa likod. The house collapsed and I woke up in this strange place. This space feels like a dream. Oh! All of this and everything I encountered before. The voice, the pain, the fear. Ay, nagbalik pa ako, just. It was my past. A life I had forgotten about. I thought I left nothing behind. No mark, no meaning. My child, my wife, my parents. But they are still searching for me. Maybe you only truly die when you are forgotten. What's this? Turn off the lantern. Why?
Shun, matay mo.
Yeah! Sana all! Jess, ano daw pinaka-hardest na part para sa game?
Itong
Yung ito nga, run scene. Oh, yung run scene.